Namaskar children. How are you all? I hope all of you fine at your home. I am Sudha Ronath from Nivera Global Gates. I am your maths teacher. Let's start today's session with prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes.
Isha
on your face. Slowly open your eyes. All of you feeling happy? Okay everyone, let's start our activity first. Okay children, so let's start our activity. Okay, I know all of you like to draw. Yes, everyone very eager to draw. Yes. Okay, let's start our activity with drawing. Guess this, what I am drawing here. Yes, first make a half circle like this. Yes, it's look like a which? Okay children, all of you ready for today's activity? Yes. Let's guess what I am drawing here, and you also draw like this. Okay? First, I am making circle, and here is a one circle, and here is half, and this. Yes. Okay, here I am making a ribbon. I hope all of you guessing this one, what I am drawing here. Okay? सबको पता चल गया मैं क्या ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ? Yes, these are balloons. What are these? These are balloons. Okay, now I am coloring these balloons with purple color. You can also draw these balloons in your drawing book. Okay? Okay. Why we are drawing these balloons? Okay, in the last I will show you what is hiding in this balloon. Yes, there was something is in this balloon that was hiding. Okay, कुछ तो इसमें छिपा हुआ है, वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. ठीक है, वो क्या है करके आपको अभी फाइंड करते रहना है. मैं क्या इसमें छिपा के रखी हूँ. यस. Okay, all of you enjoying this one coloring, and please always remember whatever ma'am told you to draw and write, do activities, you have to do at your home every time. Because of that you can easily understood the concept, and you never मतलब हमेशा याद रखोगे और कभी भी भूल नहीं पाओगे. You always memorize those activities when you are in trouble, when you are not remember. Okay? Yes, our balloons are done. Okay, and in here in ribbons I am making blue color. Okay, did you guess what is hiding in this balloon? Guessed or not? No? Okay. Okay, I am drawing here one more thing. First, circle and half circle like this. Okay, did you guess what is this? क्या है ये? Yes, this is a phone, telephone. जो लैंडलाइन की फोन होती है वो. This is not a cell phone. Cell phone means smartphone, जो अभी आपके मम्मा पापा यूज करते हैं. Yes? हाँ. and there must be some land phones are in their your houses or offices. जो ऑफिस में लोग होते हैं वो ज़्यादा से ये लैंड फोन्स यूज करते हैं. हाँ, एंड दिस इज द रिसीवर. जैसे कि हम ये वाला कान पे लगता है और ये वाला हमारे मुंह पे आ जाता है, तो हम यू कैन इजीली हियर फ्रॉम दिस साइड एंड यू कैन इजीली टॉक फ्रॉम दिस साइड. यस, ओके. दिस इज अ टेलीफोन, लैंडलाइन. This is a telephone. And here one more thing, and in this also there was something hiding in this. There was something hiding in this. What it is? Did you guess? No. Yes? किसी को पता नहीं चला ना मैंने इसमें क्या हाइड करके रखा है? Yes? Okay everyone, I will show you what is hiding in these two pictures. Okay, did you guess what is hiding in these two pictures? First one is balloon and another one is telephone receiver. Okay, now I will draw here, then you can easily find the hiding number. Okay, yes, did you find this number? Which number is this? Yes, this is number 9. And here also is a number 9. Yes, did you find this? Yes, with the help of number 9, we drawn balloons and telephone. Okay, all of you enjoy this activity? So, did you know that what we are learning today? Yes, we are learning today the number 9. And do you know the spelling of number 9? Let me write here. N-I-N-E. 9. Yes, N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. So today's our concept is writing of number 9. Okay, let's go our classwork homework portion. Okay children, now we will sing a rhyme for number 9. Engine number 9. Engine number 9. When it's ready, it will shine. When it's ready, it will shine. Engine number 9. Then we will ride on the Bombay line. Then we will ride on the Bombay line. Okay, what it means? Engine ready है number 9 की ट्रैक पे, और when it's ready हो जाता है तब क्या होता है? It will shine. Yes, वो चमकने लगता है. फिर वो कहाँ पे जाने वाला है? It will ride on the Bombay line. It was going to Bombay. Yes, very good. Okay, we will read it once again. Engine number 9. When it's ready, it will shine. Engine number 9. When it's ready, it will shine. Engine number 9. Then we will ride on the Bombay line. Then we will ride on the Bombay line. Okay, everyone? All of you understood the rhymes today? Okay, now I will show you classwork homework question. Okay, so today classwork page number 19 in worksheet half page, and homework page number 9 in worksheet other half page. Okay, let's start our classwork today. Classwork, first write CW on top of your worksheet page and mention today's date. Write the number and number name in the below given boxes. These are given boxes. Here you have to write the number name. Okay, the next is one has been done for you here. Already written in your worksheet number 9. N-I-N-E. 9. And here also underline is there. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay. So in the classwork we are writing one side of the number 9. So no need to skip one line. Okay. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Speak and write. Children, when you are speaking, when you are writing, you have to speak. Okay, children? N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay, what is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E. 9. Okay? Yes, you have to write like this. N-I-N-E. 9. This is your classwork question. And the underside of your 9 is your homework portion. Okay, everyone? Yes. Okay. Before we are going to homework portion, I want to revise all the number names. So tell me which number name is this? T-H-R-E-E. Which number name is this? This is number 3. Yes. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay, now tell me which number name is this? Yes, fast. S-I-X. 6. Very good. Yes, S-I-X. 6. This is the spelling of 6. Okay. And now which spelling is this? E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Yes, this is the spelling of 8. Okay, the next one is, which spelling is this? Did you guess? Yes, very good. This is the spelling of 2. T-W-O. 2. T-W-O. 2. Okay, the next one is number. Yes, which number is this? F-I-V-E. 5. Very good. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. That's okay. The next one is O-N-E. 1. O-N-E. 1. O-N-E. 1. And one more number name is left. That is F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Very good. अभी हमको सीधे लाइन में भी याद रखना है और ऐसे रैंडमली जो भी मैम पूछेंगे आपको सारे स्पेलिंग्स याद रहने चाहिए. यस, वेरी गुड. नाउ आई विल शो यू होमवर्क पोर्शन. Okay, everyone, this is our maths worksheet, page number 19. This is the half page of your worksheet. This is for your classwork and the other half is for your homework. Write the number and number name in the below given boxes. One has been done for you. Because here already written number 9 spelling. You can watch this 9 spelling and write here. Okay, let's start. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. Okay, the other boxes you have to write with yourself. Okay, and I now show you homework. Here also, and you have to touch all the below line of all the boxes. Okay, everyone? N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Okay? I hope all of you understand. Yes. So, today what we done in the activity? First we draw balloons and the under one is telephone receiver. Yes? Okay. And what we find in those pictures? We find number 9. Yes, very good. And also we revise all the number names. Very good. I hope all of you understood today's concept and everything. Okay everyone. Bye bye. Take care.